Ne-chan? Excuse me, Ne-chan. Yes, Miku-chan? I want to make cupcakes for everyone for Valentine's Day, and I need some help. Of course, I'll help you. I bought some cupcake mix from the store. Okay, let's get the kitchen set up. Oh, it's all ready. I just need your thumbs. No problem. What do we do first? First, we need to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Next, we need to grease our cups and put them in the pan. Next, we'll put the cake mix in a bowl, add water, and mix that up. Now that it's mixed, we will add some oil and an egg and mix that all together. Now we put the batter into the cups, fill them up 2/3 of the way. Our oven is ready. Let's bake the cupcakes for 15 minutes. The cupcakes are ready, Ne-chan, and they smell so good. They do smell so good. You have to wait for them to cool before you can decorate them, okay? Okay, I'm gonna go play Sims until they're ready. Hi, cupcakes. Are you ready? Oh, yes, you are. Okay, I'm gonna top you with some whipped cream. And a strawberry. You guys look so cute and yummy. What's so cute, Miku-chan? Oh, cupcakes! Nom 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 nom. Wait, you forgot to pray. Itadakimasu. This is so good, Miku-chan. Did you make them? Ne-chan's thumbs help me. You should have told me. I could have helped. I need help tasting them. Well, that you don't have to ask. What did you make these for, anyways? Valentine's Day, of course. Eh? You have a boyfriend? Is it someone I know? When are you going to introduce him? Does Ne-chan know? Ne-chan! Miku has a boyfriend! Shh! I did not say I have a boyfriend. Is it a crush? Oh! Is it unrequited love? Poor Miku-chan! Who is it? I'll kick him into something. That doesn't deserve these cupcakes. How dare he ignore my Miku-chan? Calm down. These are friends-only cupcakes. Are you sure? Okay then. But you know I got your back, right? Nobody hurts my Miku-chan. Oh, you're so sweet sometimes, Mirai-chan. Thank you for caring. Happy Valentine's, Mirai-chan. You too, Miku-chan. Thank you, dolls, for finishing the entire video. And if you want to watch more of Darling Dolls Playtime videos, all you have to do is subscribe. See you next time!